Hi everyone, Cherish is here and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button and hit the bell button to get notification if I have new video. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to take a full screen screenshot of any website and use it to create a professional mock-up for a funnel design. Whether you're working on a marketing project, a sales funnel, or just want to showcase the website design, this technique is essential for presenting your ideas clearly. Tools needed when taking a full screen screenshot, but I'm using full page screen capture at Chrome extension. Tools needed when creating a mockup, but I'm using Canva. Now I want to show you step by step. Let me share my screen to you. Let's begin. On your Chrome browser, click this 3 dots here. Click this Chrome Web Store. Type Go Full Page and search. Click this Apps, Add to Chrome. Here you go. So now let me show you how to take the full screen screenshot. Let me share again my screen. Open your System IO and the funnel you want to screenshot. Click the preview. Now click this camera icon. Now click this download icon. Now you can start design your mockup. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. In the next tutorial, we'll dive into creating your mockup, or you can start experimenting with the software I shared today.